In this video, we're going to explore the ethical use of AI, what it means, why it matters to you, and how everyday choices affect how AI is used. Ethical AI is built around three core principles: fairness, transparency, and accountability. Let's start with fairness. Fairness means AI should treat people equally and not disadvantage someone based on factors like gender, race, age, or background. If AI is used to help decide who gets a job interview, a loan, or access to services, those decisions should be based on relevant information, not hidden bias in the data. Next is transparency. AI shouldn't be a complete mystery. Ethical use means people should have a basic understanding of when AI is being used and how it influences decisions. Whether it's recommendations, automated decisions, or generated content, users deserve clarity instead of black box systems. The third principle is accountability. When AI makes a mistake, such as denying access, spreading incorrect information, or producing harmful content, someone must take responsibility. Blaming the technology isn't enough. There should always be humans who can explain, fix, and improve the system. Ethical AI also affects how people use AI tools. One key issue is plagiarism. AI can generate text, images, or code, but using AI-generated content without checking it, claiming it as entirely original, or passing it off as someone else's work can be unethical. Responsible use means understanding where content comes from and using AI as a support, not a shortcut. Another important area is misrepresentation. Using AI to impersonate people, create misleading content, or present AI-generated work as human-created without disclosure can break trust or even the law. Ethical use means being honest about when and how AI is involved. There's also the issue of codes of conduct and terms of service. Most AI tools come with rules about how they can and cannot be used. Ignoring these guidelines, whether by misusing data, generating harmful content, or bypassing safeguards, can lead to real consequences like losing access to the tool and undermines responsible AI use. So what does this look like in everyday life? AI influences what content we see, what products are recommended, and even how decisions are made behind the scenes. Without ethical guidelines, these systems can reinforce bias, spread misinformation, or manipulate attention instead of supporting informed choices. This is why ethical use matters. Even if you're not building AI, you interact with it daily. The way you use AI tools, question results, follow guidelines, and demand transparency helps shape how this technology evolves. When AI is used responsibly, everyone benefits. By staying informed and holding systems accountable, we help ensure AI remains a force for good. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.